Hello everybody, today I show you the recipe of Madeleine. It's very easy to make it. Okay, first things, you mix eggs and you add all the sugar and salt. You mix well. After you add honey. You mix well. And you add all the flour mixed with the baking powder. When the flour, eggs, sugar, honey and baking powder is mixed, now you can add lemon zest and warm butter. It's very important. The zest, warm butter, you mix it well. Okay, when everything is mixed, it's fine, and you can put the recipe on the cooler for around 3 hours. Your recipe needs to be cold. Okay, for the Madeleine, I use this mold. You can find this on Amazon. Before we piping the recipe, it's very important. We put the melted butter on the mold with a brush on every mold, like this. We put some flour. Okay, it's very important to have a layer of butter and flour, because if you don't put that, your Madeleine stick on the mold. It's very important. Okay, after 3 hours, the recipe is ready to pipe it. I show you 2 different methods. You can use a pastry bag. And you can pipe directly like this. Or you can use a small spoon. Like this. Okay, when your recipe is on the mold, you put your oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit and you put directly on a hot tray, like this, and you put directly your oven at 300 for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you turn the tray. And you put at 325 for around 5 to 8 minutes. After 5 to 8 minutes, the Madeleine are ready. I take out from the oven. And directly when it's warm, you need to take out from the mold like this. Okay. Now it's ready to eat.